people, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for stopping by. For those of you who are new, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take off my fake nails at home. They are fake, I know, without going to the salon, without ripping them off, without hurting the nails, without any pain, just as easy as this. So stay tuned, I will show you. Yeah babes, so what we're gonna be needing for this video is nail polish remover, a nail scraper, a nail file, 10 cotton balls, 10 aluminum foils, a nail clipper, hand cream for your cuticles when you finish. So let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. guys, sorry for that. That was just me being crazy. So as you can see, my nails are clean and no harm. Nice. I love them like this. So you see, I did that. That was very easy and simple to do. You see how good they look? Perfect. So our inspirational message for today is, let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. So guys, that's very important. Do not let the world change your smile. Whatever is going on in your life, always keep your smile, just as I am. Yeah. So whatever situation, whatever is happening in your life, always keep your smile and trust that it will be over, because nothing lasts forever. So that bad situation is not gonna last forever. So trust yourself and keep the smile. Yep. Sometimes some of my friends usually ask, is she ever angry? Is she ever angry in her life? Doesn't she have all the problems and all the troubles that we have? Of course. I'm human. I have bad times. I have bad days and good days. So nothing, I mean nothing can change this. Nothing. I never let anything. And I'm not gonna let anything to change this smile. Nothing. So guys, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell button so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first to see. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I love you all. Kisses. Peace.